So, I'm going to share an exciting journey I've been documenting, the development of a chick from an egg all the way to its early stages of becoming a young chicken. Let me take you through this fascinating process. To get started, I bought an incubator and a fertilized chicken egg. The incubator has a built-in light for AC observation and was set to the ideal temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius. On September 17, 2024, I placed the egg inside and began the incubation process. Day 1 was quiet. There were no visible signs of development. On day 5, I checked again and noticed something amazing. A network of blood vessels had formed, and a tiny dark spot was visible at the center of the egg. It was the first sign of life. By day 12, the progress was incredible. The veins inside the egg had become very thick, and the dark spot had grown larger. It was clear this was the developing embryo. Fast forward to day 19, and most of the egg had turned dark except for a small clear area near the animal pole. On day 20, I noticed a tiny hole in the shell and heard faint chirping sounds from inside. Finally, on day 21, the egg hatched. Out came the chick, wet and tired but alive and chirping. It was such a rewarding experience to witness its first moments. But the journey didn't end there. After hatching, I continued observing the chick's development. By day 24, the chick looked very small and vulnerable. It was still in the early stages of development. On day 34, about 13 days after hatching, the chick had grown noticeably larger and was becoming more active, even walking around. On day 36, its fluffy underdeveloped feathers were starting to cover its body. By day 42, 21 days after hatching, its feathers were becoming more defined and it continued to grow steadily. By day 50, that's November 5, 2024, and 29 days after hatching, the chick was much bigger. Its wings, legs, and other parts of its body were maturing, and its overall structure was taking shape. On day 54, the chick had become quite frisky and active. It was constantly moving and growing. Then, by day 59, or 38 days after hatching, the chick was transforming into a young chicken. Its feathers were more developed and it had grown significantly in size.